All right, gentlemen. Oh, this thing works. All right. Zimmer, Peel Heat. This is a great job coming down, reading the block, Rover. We got better later in the game corners with spacing. We're giving guys too much space early in the game, but we got better with that. Baseball money. Buck and the Star both going. So we cannot give up the inside, Rover. So we should be slow, fast, fastest. You're kind of bouncing, and you bounce outside, which gives them the inside leverage. Now you do a good job of breaking up the pass. Fortunately for us, everyone, that they got pressure on the quarterback to force him to a bad throw. But if you threw a better ball, this would have been a big gain because of positioning. So make sure you don't give up the inside. Too much space again on the bottom. Sorry about that. I'm figuring this thing out. So too much space on the bottom. Let's make sure that we are tighter next time in man. Not a bad job, Rover, getting over making this tackle. Get your head across with the feet. One second, guys. This thing is. There we go. Figuring this thing out. Okay. This is a penalty. I'm gonna skip this play. We did a good job in coverage as far as knowing who we had all game. So I'm gonna skip some of the rushing plays and stick more with the passing ones. But try stay on your feet, Rover. I know you're trying to go for his legs right now, but you're a big enough guy where strong enough guy where you can go ahead and stay on your feet, wrap this dude up, and take him out of bounds. Of course, the video's not loading. Come on. There it goes. All right. Let's get this play here. Okay, we're in deuce here. Screenplay, passes complete. This is more of Gratian, not attacking, but this is first time really being getting any corner work, and we haven't ran any screens against him, so give him a break. Would avoid the block, Nick. Don't get caught up with this guy. Use your hands, okay, to knock his hands off. To let his hands get on you. Jason. Bow one. So, every time hitches, run plays, corners, you must come outside. Get your head outside. It's the same thing we do every day in one-on-ones with the bubble screen. Okay, come outside. Use your hands. Okay. At this point, when you see it, you can even avoid because look at the spacing between the blocker and the ball carrier. You can just avoid outside. All right, and then come back inside. I mean, stay outside, but even I'm saying, come outside and get tighter. This will help the Rover because he's taking an angle as if he's going to cut in between. All right, so you do your job. Rover makes a tackle here sooner. So make sure you always come outside. Okay. Just a little too much cushion. All right, Rover. And we all did it at some point. Actually, I'm not sure. I'm just sure Sam did it. When he breaks, when anytime a receiver breaks, we don't take our eyes off of the receiver. We keep your eyes on the receiver the whole time because doing that slows down your break. You need to work on your feet, however, and getting in on the breaks because we can be faster. Smash money, line up correctly. So, if we're in banjo, like we should have been, okay, with a tight set like this. Remember, the free safety test the safety's at the first inside, corner the first outside. They both go inside, both go outside. Obviously, the corner's the first outside. Okay, the two guys that go inside. All right. Technically, the rover should be covering that guy. All right. The free should be covering this guy. All right. Corners have the deeper routes. We don't get this because this guy's wide open because our rover doesn't cover him. All right. Now, luckily, Jason sees it, comes off his guy, makes a play, incomplete pass. All right. So let's make sure we understand what banjo is and how to run it correctly. So we didn't slow pedal out. Slow, fast, fastest. We do it every day. Same thing in the corner down here. Slow, fast, fastest. We do it every day. All right. You guys are fast. So he's able to catch in front of you. Always come outside. I don't care if he goes inside of you. All right. All your help is here. All your help is here. So make him go inside of you. He's getting too much space. Can't tell your eyes go when the ball when he breaks his hips down. You come down, make a tackle immediately. We're giving these guys too much space. Can't just give people first downs. Penalty. Smash money. All right. Now the TD. We're in man coverage. We just have to work on your loose man technique still. Your back pedal's too wide. You're not getting any depth. So slow, fast. All right. So the slow's all right. We go fast. He gives you a jab step inside. All right. And you open your hips to it. Then it's harder to have to get your hips back the other way once he goes outside. Okay? So, one step inside does not mean him going inside. You gotta wait for his hip to turn. Okay? Or hips to turn. And I mean, he throws a good ball outside where only his guy can get to it. Skip this play. I'm running out of time. It's only give me 15 minutes to record a video on here. So, outside corners, we can't have that anymore. Okay? Gotta come outside every time. A lot of these I'm skipping just because of time's sake on this video. This was a penalty. Do it from the end zone view. Shoot. All right. So this was a horrible call by the refs, but you're going to get horrible calls. It is what it is. All right. It's high school refs. You are inbounds when you make contact. All right. And when you hit them, you see it better from the sideline view. I'm not going to show it on here. You can see it yourself. You send him to the track pretty much. All right. You can see Coach Tomes all over it. All right. So it is what it is sometimes. Skip the scrambles so you can get to more of the pass plays, 15-yard penalty. So this one, I can kind of agree with the ref now after seeing it. You do climb over his back to get to this ball. If you just keep that right arm off of him and use your left arm, okay, then that's a clean play. But your right arm's draped over him, so PI was warranted on that one. All right. It's a good job free safety filling. Make sure you go over the top of blocks rover. Oh, actually, I can see it from here, maybe. Yeah, you go underneath. Okay, so you see yourself come to the screen right here. All right, there you are. Go over this block, over, or under. If something happens here, they miss tackle, he cuts back. All right, he's there to make the play. You go over the block. Nice job filling. Corner, make sure you hit with your inside shoulder, not your outside shoulder. Now they call PI. I skipped that one. They call PI on you, Sam. I don't think it was a PI. Just a heads up on that. I think yours is clean. That's not the play I was looking for. Scramble. Timeout. Interception. Here we go. All right. So show from the end zone view. It's a nice catch here. You make sure you could have catch for sure. You barely got off the ground, which is all right. And we got a convoy going. You do get hawked by a lineman though. Lineman is moving, but you do get hawked by a lineman. All right. Now this is a. That's not it. Yes, it is. This is a block in the back. All right, but hey, you're not gonna always get that call. All right, you gotta take a better angle. I don't think you're running very hard, Joe. Right here, I think you can run a little harder. And he outruns you because you're not taking a hard angle. This is a great effort by you, Sam. This is a touchdown saving tackle. And they score in the very next play, but that's not on you. All right, I only got 40 seconds left on here. Now look, the some questionable ones were actually on 30 seconds. So the question you need to have, my favorite color is blue. So make sure by 9 o'clock tonight that you text me with my favorite color. And only people who played have to see it, except for Tyler. You need to watch this and get back to me too, because I'll make sure you watch it. Okay. So I'll see you guys on Monday.